Got it.
Tesla Cybertruck mass production won't start until 2024 now. Jeez, Will, why you gotta bring me this news like this over here?
Sad times.
Cybertruck full volume production will not be realized until 2024. Now, they are saying mass production. I mean, there's going to be some production. Come on, please, Will. There's got to be some production. Tesla's long-anticipated Cybertruck won't be seeing full volume production until 2024, Elon Musk said during the company's fourth quarter earnings call. Today, during the call, Musk was asked whether the forthcoming vehicle would meet a mid-2023 production target that was set in Q2 last year. Musk cagily confirmed that Cybertruck manufacturing would start sometime this summer, but concluded mass production of the polarizing pickup won't start until next year. Well, listen, it's pushback. You got to assume there's good reason for it. They got one hell of a facility going in over there. They had to get that all sorted out and built. I've seen some videos of the giant die-cast machine getting installed, and you just can't even really envision the scope of what mass production looks like for something where the demand is like that, and it's never been delivered before. But it is depressing because broken promises, Will, are always depressing. And you've been on that side of it where you're quoted a particular date on a particular vehicle and you're waiting. And, well, a guy like you goes out and buys all kinds of other vehicles in the meantime.
Yeah, I know. What?
Did you ever?
Because of that delay.
Curious.
No, I'm not getting a Cybertruck.
No. That wasn't my question. My question was, we talked about you possibly following up with the price reduction on your Model 3 since you were very close to that timeline.
Yeah, I haven't had time, but it's something I'm going to do during the weekend.
I mean, just a chit chat. Like, even if you just don't really press them on it, I'm curious what their reply is to somebody who bought in your window. You are right on that cusp from a delivery perspective.
Yeah.
Because in many cases with price protection, when it comes to consumer goods, which are not cars, I understand that, they would have a 30-day policy.
Yeah, I mean, I put a deposit down. But when I actually bought the car, it was in November. So it is around that time. It's not back in April or March when I put a deposit.
I see what you're saying. You mean when you executed the transaction? I know. And so then I'm
buying the car.
I'm like, do they internally have a document that says the 30 days, 60 days, case-by-case basis? I don't know. Cybertruck was originally announced all the way back in 2019 to widespread interest, but has seen its production delayed several times. Pre-production was originally supposed to start in late 2021. Man, it's just crazy. 2019 is when we first saw it. I think, I can't even recall having put the order in. However, every so often I open the Tesla app and I see it in my list of vehicles, and I'm like, "Whoa, that's crazy! That was a long time ago." Shout out to Jesse Witham, by the way. I haven't seen you in here in a while. Really appreciate it. He says this shows his midday motivation. Will, I shall just take a moment to shout out anybody in the chat and that joins us on these live shows, and especially the people who are clicking the bell, because it is happening. People are. I'm actually looking at the analytics and I'm seeing it happen, which is hopefully going to drive more people to the fact that we're live here every single day. I don't even know.
Not every single day.
Monday
to Friday.
Every single day of the week. Yeah. No, I mean, come on, Will. Don't downplay. That's tough to do. Come on, you're a big part of it. This is heavy duty, right? It's a real, consistency is hard. The idea, the initial phase, that's the easy part. Oh, here's the concept. Following through, hammering it out every single time, and keeping yourself in check and consistent. Like me, I barely made it today. I rolled in, but I rolled in, didn't I? I rolled in, but I rolled in.
Yeah.
And you, on the other hand,
happy.
You're thriving so much that you're even stopping by the farm boy. So, I'm saying good things are happening.
It's fun.
Cybertruck, we're gonna have to wait. That's all right. But this show, you're not gonna have to wait. This show, we're on a roll. Let me tell you something, ladies and gentlemen. Right. And thank you for all the support, guys.